In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Claude subscription step by step so you can move from the free plan to the pro plan in just a few minutes. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every click so you know exactly what to do. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Claude Desktop on your computer. Once the app loads, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your name or profile icon. This is where your account options are stored, including your plan and billing settings. After that, a menu should appear. From there, click Upgrade Plan. This will take you to the subscription options page where you can see the available plans for your account. Next, click Get Pro Plan. This is the option you want if you're upgrading to Claude Pro. Once you select it, you'll be asked to choose your billing cycle. You can usually pick either monthly or annually, depending on which option works best for you. Monthly is a good choice if you want flexibility, while annual billing may be better if you want to save over time. After selecting your billing option, go ahead and enter your billing information. Make sure your details are accurate so the subscription can be processed properly. Then enter your payment information. Double check your card number, expiration date, and any required security details before continuing. Once everything is filled in, you'll see a checkbox that says you agree that Anthropic will charge your card for the amount mentioned. Be sure to read that carefully, then check the box to confirm your agreement. This is an important step because it authorizes the subscription charge. After that, click Subscribe. Claude will process your payment, and if everything goes through successfully, your account should be upgraded to the Pro plan right away. Once that's done, you can start using the additional features and higher usage limits that come with your subscription. And that's it, you've now learned how to subscribe to Claude and upgrade your account to Pro. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.